Hey there, it's Nathalie. Welcome to my channel. So I've recruited my son. He volunteered. Actually, I didn't even have to ask him. He volunteered to help me put in a new light fixture. So hang around and we'll show you how it's done. We're not professionals. We're just DIYers, and he's pretty handy to have around. All right, my son is going to help me change out this cute little light fixture from 2008 or something like that, and we're going to put a new cage light that I got off of Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. The next thing we want to do is turn off the power. Zit.
I can't see if I'm on here or not.
Okay, so can you even unscrew that without thinking to yourself, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey? So the lamp kit has the wire nuts included in there. And then you got to do those other two. Unscrewing the other two little cap nuts, whatever they're called. Oh, they're called ball nuts, just in case you need to know. This one already has a mounting plate in it, but we're going to replace it with the new mounting plate. Attaching the ground.
Voila. Black.
Black to black. Oh, you know what I mean, Vern? Or Tim the Tool Man? White to white. We're not professionals. We're just DIYers. So this may or may not be necessary, but it's what Joe used to always do. Always put a little extra electrical tape even around the wire nuts. So the tricky part is lining up the holes with the little bolts that are coming out of the mounting plate. Ta-da!
There's one.
There's one. There's two.
I need the ball nut. Not one, but two. That thing rolls away, it's going to be fun.
While I was ordering my light fixtures, I went ahead and ordered a 6-pack of the Edison bulbs. So cool. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you give me a little thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. You know all the stuff. I've got tons of videos here. See you later. Bye.